Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see edit history in Google Sheets. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to see the edit history in Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to go to Google Sheets and open the file for which you want to see the edit history. Then, you will need to view the version history for the entire sheet. To view the version history for the entire sheet, head over to the Google Sheets menu at the top and click on File. And from the drop down, go ahead and select Version History. Then click on See Version History, or alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H on Windows or Command plus Option plus Shift plus H on Mac. But go ahead and click on See Version History. A panel will open on the right side of your screen showing the list of timestamps with edits. These are previous versions of the sheet. Now click on any specific timestamp to see how the sheet looked at that point in time along with the edits made. So we have this. Now the cells that were edited will be highlighted in different colors, and the editor's name will be shown next to each version. So you can see, and you can see of course the color there, the editor's name, Amanda Mac. So you can also restore or name the versions, which is pretty much optional. If you want to restore a previous version, click on the Restore this version button at the top of the sheet when viewing that particular version, which is here. You can also give a name to different versions for easier tracking by clicking on the three dots menu next to the timestamp in the version history panel and selecting. So click on that and click on Name this version. That's it. Then I'm just going to go all the way backward, back to my sheet. Now, how can you see edit history for a specific cell? Click on the cell. Click on the specific cell you want to check the edit history for. Then right click on the cell and from the context menu, select Show Edit History. If you find it there. And that's it. Alternatively, you can click on the cell and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus G for Windows or Command plus Option plus Shift plus G for Mac. A pop-up appears showing the history of changes made to that cell, which we have here. And now it includes the name of the person who made a change, the date and the time of the edit, the specific changes made to the content of that cell. Now you can scroll through the changes using the arrows in the pop-up to go forward or backward in the edit history. Now, once you're done, close the history pop-up. That is how you can view both the version history for the entire sheet and the edit history for specific cells in Google Sheet. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.